The MJF Laser Level 360 offers exceptional precision with its advanced laser technology, ensuring accurate leveling for any construction or installation project. Its unique 360-degree design allows simultaneous leveling across walls, ceilings, and floors, making it ideal for comprehensive room alignment tasks. The device features high-quality green lasers that are significantly brighter than red, providing clear visibility even in outdoor settings up to 150 feet. With a robust and portable design, it includes versatile mounting options and a remote control for added convenience, all encased in a durable, water-resistant shell. Its long-lasting lithium battery supports up to 21 hours of continuous use, and the Type-C charging port offers easy recharging using standard mobile chargers or power banks. The Laser Level is equipped with 3 operational modes, including auto leveling and pulse mode, catering to a variety of leveling needs with an extended range capability.